Let's take a look inside what comes with an S10 Lite. This is the international version, so I've got the converter plug for the US. And honestly, I have no idea. I tried to look online to see what's in here, but could not find anything. This is the blue version, the frosted blue. It's supposed to come with a screen cover. Okay, it does. It's very gentle, very small lines there, but before I get there, I've noticed there's something in the lid. So this is, I think, the case. So we've got the SIM card there. So this is the hard case that goes with it, clear case. Quick start guide, warranty card. This has, put it right up against the white, just the slightest gray tint to it. It is fairly flexible, actually very flexible. You can see that doesn't weigh hardly anything and it moves. So let's check the phone. Oh, I did that too quick. So as far as the color goes, this is kind of darker than I thought. But I like it. Definitely some translucent colors, even though it's a polymer back. I guess that's probably for warranty. Have a charge cable, so this is USB-C to USB-C. Kind of on the cheap side, doesn't feel too big a quality, but these would be the earbuds, large, small, and probably the medium in there. Now this is a USB-C. That makes it much easier to plug in the bottom. So this comes with a fast charger, which I think is 25 watts. So that wraps it up. I'll do a follow-up once I've had time to check this phone out. I've been a lifelong iPhone user, so switching to Samsung is going to be a fun little trick. I'm going to get that peel action. Oh yeah. Cool. That'd be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep it short and sweet. Thanks. Nice. I probably should read the quick start guide. Let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these,